Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to another session of review of the gold trade we started last week. So, guys, without wasting much of our time, let's go to the chart and see what the updates are. All right. So, guys, here we have our setup for gold. Last week, remember, guys, I asked you to close your trade on gold. The reason was because at this very moment the market was what? The market was choppy. So I didn't want people to take unnecessary risk. Okay? The market was choppy. I didn't want people to take unnecessary risk. So I asked that the trade be closed. Okay. However, I held my own trade. I held it because I've already calculated the rate I wanted to take, and I was comfortable with it. Most of us may not understand what I did here, but I took the trade. Look at the trade, okay, and I hit my take profit. Okay, I hit take profit of $28 plus. All right. I didn't close my own trade. The reason was because I was comfortable with what was going on, and I know a lot of traders will not be comfortable, and most of them may not, know how to manage their risk. So I asked that the trade be closed. Okay, let me show you guys what I did. I placed my stop loss, at a smart structure level. Okay, I placed my stop loss somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. All right, below this low, below this candle low. Okay, so that was where I placed my stop loss. All right, so I knew that if price was able to break through this level, I was my setup should be invalidated. Okay, so I left the stop loss here, but fortunately for me, the price did not hit it. It came back and entered into the channel structure and hit my take profit. Okay, so guys, that was how I took that trade. So back to our trading view setup is about the same thing as well. Okay, so we're going to continue with this setup, right, guys, this week. Now, this is a major structure, okay? This is a 4-hour area of interest, okay? So I expect that market should break this structure, come back to retest it, then I'll enter a buy. So guys, I'm going to release the signal as soon as I get the appropriate, I'm going to release signal as soon as I get the appropriate, sign, candlestick patterns, okay, and what the market is doing, okay? But if you still want to trade it the way it is, I'm still comfortable to buy gold. Okay, I'm still comfortable to buy gold. I'll tell you what to do here. Okay, so let's remove this setup. Okay, so what we can do here is that we'll place our we'll place our entry here. All right, we'll place our entry here, pending order or instant execution. This is London Open. Okay, then we can also place our stop loss here below this low of the candlestick of this candlestick. Put your stop loss here. You can see the stop loss, the risk is a bit wide, but that's not a problem. We're going to make sure that we target a very good profit level. Okay, so we're going to do a minimum of 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, all right, so that said, we should do this. Enter here on gold. Okay, set our stop loss here. All right. Okay, do 2 to 1. Perfect. Okay, this will be our target. Okay, so guys, immediately you can take a buy on gold. Take a buy on gold. I'm going to re-enter a buy trade here. I'm going to re-enter a buy trade here with 0.02 or 0.05. Sorry, let me do 0.05. Okay, 0.05, guys. Okay, that's okay for me. Boom, take this trade. Boom. Okay. Um. Let's put our stop loss here. Okay. Put our stop loss here. All right. Okay, and our take profit. I'm going to remove this. Our take profit somewhere here. Okay, so our take profit is somewhere around. Let's look at it. Somewhere around 20, 20, 2024, 2042.96. Okay, 2042.96. So let me adjust this. Okay, take profit 20. Excuse me 1 minute. 2042. Okay, 96. 20, 42, okay, 42.96, okay. All right, so I put my take profit there. All right, then my stop loss is around what price level? My stop loss is 2014.71, okay. No, sorry, 20, that is 2031, okay. 2031, okay. I'll come here and adjust it. 2000, okay, 2000, 2031, okay. 31, okay. So place my stop loss here, okay? All right, but I will need to adjust it slightly below. I want it to be below the low of this candlestick, okay? I want it to be slightly below the low of this candlestick. Perfect, I like it here. Okay, so guys, this is how I want to execute this trade. So you can enter a set, you can buy gold. Okay, at this point, I'm comfortable with it. I'm comfortable with this trade setup, guys. Okay, you can see all the setup here has given me all the necessary signals. Okay, so I'm comfortable with it. All right. So let me send out the signal, guys. Let me send out the signal. Okay, let me send out the signal, guys. All right. So I want us to buy gold, okay? Let's buy gold, hmm, okay? At current market price, guys, okay? Boom, okay? So let's set up the other information, all right? Let's set up the other information, guys, okay? Okay, now the stop loss is at what price? The stop loss is at 2000, okay? Point 31, okay? The TP is at 20 42.196.96. Okay. All right. So let me send out the signal. Right. Let me send out the signal, guys. Okay. No. Okay. All right. So guys, that's the update I have on this trade. We'll continue following up this trade, guys. We'll continue to follow up this trade. I hope that we're going to make money, okay? Because all the setup I have there perfect. The very awesome setup, guys. I'm comfortable with it. All right. This market, like I told us, is going to still inch up very, 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 very well. Okay. If you look at this market, you see that gold is still going to go up. Okay. Gold is still going to go better up. This is impossible, pull back, impossible. So I expect gold to still, go up to hit this profit target here. Okay. All right. So guys, that's all I have for you for now. We'll continue to follow up this trade. Okay. It's a profitable setup, guys. So join me. Let's mine this gold together. All right. So guys, thank you very much and see you later in the week as this market proceeds. Okay. But you can check Forex Factory to see what the news is doing. Okay. It's not a bad idea. Check Forex Factory to look at the news. Let's see if there's any news on the dollar, so that you'll be aware. Even though from the 4 hour time frame, I'm comfortable, and from my stop loss position, I'm just too comfortable with what's happening there. Okay. All right. So let's see what the market holds for us today. The news. Okay. Let's see what the news holds for us. Okay. So today there's no news item here. Okay. There's no news item here that is of high impact. Okay. There's no news item that is of high impact, okay, on the USD except tomorrow, Tuesday, okay, by 4 p.m. So today the coast is clear, okay. All right, so guys, that's what all I have for you today on this trade gold, okay. So you can go ahead and go long on gold, guys. You'll be comfortable, all right. All right, thank you very much, guys, and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.